Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to create a store procedure to get employee count by Managerid. First I will show my table. So this is my table emp_manager. So here you find only three columns: employee ID, employee name, and mgrid. Mgrid is manager ID. So every manager should have one employee. So manager ID 3 means Michael. So there are three employees are reporting to Michael: John, Elias, and Sarah. So manager ID 1 means is John. So one employee David is reporting John, and like that Emma is reporting Elias. I use it to create a store procedure to pass manager ID as parameter to get the employee count who are reporting to the manager. For that I am creating one store procedure. Create procedure. So get EmpCount by manager. Get EmpCount by manager. This is my procedure name. So here I am taking the input parameter name as manager ID. This is my input parameter name and integer is data type. So now I am writing my logic between begin and end. So here I am writing my logic. Select so manager ID. So I'm taking this manager ID as I'm giving alias name as manager_ID. This is alias name, comma count star. So to get employee count as EmpCount, this is another alias name. From table name is emp_mgr. Where so here I am mapping mgr ID. Mgr ID is nothing but column name. I am mapping mgr ID with input parameter at manager ID. So entire logic depends on the where class. Now once again make sure there are no store procedures with get EmpCount manager name. Get emp address is there. Get EmpCount manager name is not there in the healthcare database. Now I am creating the store procedure. Just refresh your store procedure. So here you can see get EmpCount by manager. Now I want to execute the procedure. EXEC. Take the procedure name. So here it is asking to enter the manager ID. So here I am passing 3. So as you know, there are 3 employees are reporting to Michael. See here, manager ID 3. Once again, check the table. 3 employees, 1, 2, 3 employees are reporting 3. If I pass the 1 here, I used to get only 1 employee. Count 1 and manager ID is 1, employee count also 1. If I pass the 2 also I am getting only 1 employee. Manager ID is 2, employee count is 1. That means 1 employee is reporting to manager ID. So this is how you need to write a store procedure, create a store procedure to get the employee count by manager. Suppose I want to get employee name and manager name as well. Instead of executing here, so here I am getting only manager ID and employee count. But I want to get manager name as well as employee name. So how to create a store? Create procedure and procedure name is get manager and employee names. This is my procedure name. So at manager ID I am taking, so here also I am taking only 1 input parameter, manager ID, integer data type. Now as begin and end, so here I am writing my logic. So I want to get manager name and employee name. So by default in the table we have only employee name, there is no manager name. To get the manager name, we used to join the same table again to get the manager name by using inner join. Select m.empname as manager name, e.empname as employee name. Okay. From this table, MP manager, I am giving alias name as G. Okay. Now I am using inner join here. Inner join. I'm taking the same table one more time with m alias name. Okay. Now in on class, e.mgrid equal to m.empid. Where class? Where? So I use it to here. I'm taking m.empid, which is equal to input parameter. So empid is the column name and mapping with the input parameter. Now there are two store procedures. I'm creating the store procedures here. Refresh your store procedure. So here third one, get manager and the employee name. Okay. Now I want to execute the procedure. EXEC and here I am taking first one is 3. I am passing manager ID 3 here, so that you will get 3 employees and along with the name of the manager. See, Michael is the manager name and all these 3 employees reporting to Michael. So here I am giving passing 2 here. Manager name is Elias and Emma is the employee name who is reporting to Elias. So here I am taking 1. John is the manager name, David is the employee name. Okay. So this is how you need to create a store procedure by passing manager ID to get the employee count and also employee names. Hope this video helpful how to create a store procedures to get count of employees under manager and their names. Thanks for watching the video.